Hey you guys, what's good? What's going on? It's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. First of all, if you're subscribed to me already, look, I know I have not been posting videos as often as I should be, and it's mainly because mentally I'm just in shambles sometimes, and I just find myself trying to scramble and pick up everything and try to get back on track where I left off. So this is basically what I'm doing now. But anyway, let me get right to what this video is about. If you shop on the Eden BodyWorks app, and I knew about this through watching a Mad Curls video, Taylor and Lorianne viewed one of Eden BodyWorks' newest lines, and in the comments somebody said that they were going to be having a Cinco de Mayo sale where everything was going to be $5 if you shop on the app. So when I saw that, I was like, oh my gosh, what a great way to get these products right now. So I downloaded the app onto my phone, purchased these products on May 5th. And yes, it's real. The products were $5 each, and all I did was just pay a little bit extra for shipping. I now have the Papaya and Castor oil line, and I'm going to be using the foam conditioner and the Nourishing curl jam. And we're just gonna see how these products work. I'm going to be just running some errands today, and yeah, I just thought what better day to do this. It's hot outside, I can air dry my hair for a little bit and all that good stuff. So yes, I'm gonna be trying these products and letting you know what I think. Okay, so if you've been on my channel before, then hopefully you have seen my other Eden BodyWorks review. I did their marshmallow line. It's like in a light pink, pale pink bottle. If you haven't seen it, I will link a card up above so you can go ahead and watch that video too. And this is probably going to be the third line that I've tried from Eden BodyWorks, and overall I've liked every product that I've tried from them. I haven't had a bad experience. I haven't had a bad experience with their products. So I'm very excited to try this because Mad Curls raved about it. I've seen other videos where they basically say, like, if you're gonna try this line, if you don't get anything, get the foam conditioner and get the curl jam. So that's what I did. And yeah, so let me read a little bit about this. So this is actually a leave-in conditioner. It's in foam form. Yeah, so don't get this confused. This is not a conditioner that you want to rinse out. This is something that you should leave into your hair. And it says how to use generously apply on damp hair shaft down to ends. Do not rinse. There's no mineral oils, no dyes. It's cruelty-free and made in the USA. And it says sulfate-free vitamin blend, styling conditioner for smoother, softer hair, reduces frizz, tames flyaways. Yes. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do it. By the way, my hair is freshly washed. I used my Hairfinity shampoo, and I used Diva Curl 1 Condition Decadence to condition my hair. So I'm gonna take like this much foam. I don't even know how much I should be applying or should not be applying, but whatever. The smell is nice. It's like sweet and fruity. And oh, okay, I think I used maybe too much. Okay, you don't need that much. You don't need that much, but I am liking how this is making my curls feel, and it is clumping my curls together. This is a lot of foam going on. Wow. Okay, you definitely don't need as much product as I did. One pump for one section is good enough. Comment down below if you guys have tried this line, if you've been thinking about trying this line, if you've tried any products from Eden BodyWorks, let me know. Okay, so yes, one pump of the foam is definitely enough because that really worked through my hair nicely. It definitely feels like it has moisturizing properties to it though, and I can see that it does smooth my hair down just by the way how my curls look, so that's cool. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this throughout my hair, speed you guys up, and then I'll meet you when I am about to apply the curl jam. So yeah. So the foam is all in my hair, and I'm just gonna show you what my hair looks like after the foam kind of just melts into your hair after it settles. Your hair honestly just looks conditioned and feels conditioned. I mean, it feels soft, it feels detangled, but I definitely would not stop here. I mean, you can, but like I wouldn't. The Nourishing Curl Jam, and it says styling and conditioning moisturizing jelly for textured and or curly hair, smooth sleek styling, light hold. Interesting. And it says apply to hair and style. Well, use it. So this is going to be my styling product today, and this is what's going to give me some hold, hopefully. It smells lovely. It smells very good. It has like a, I'm just dripping everywhere. It has like a light fruity scent, which I do enjoy. I'm gonna take what's in this cap. So that much we'll start with. Okay, so let's see what Eden is giving. Okay, first impressions. I like this combination together. I feel like it definitely smooths onto your hair really well. Like the glide, there is a glide. I'm liking it. Okay, so the product is all throughout my hair. I feel like I have a lot of body in my hair, which I like, and this pretty much feels like a super moisturized wash and go. So I'm in love with the way how my hair is feeling right now. It's just feeling super soft and smooth, and it's not really frizzy. I mean, my hair is naturally just frizzy, but like to me it's pretty smooth for not having like a traditional type of gel in my hair. And like lately I've been using a lot of wetline gel for my wash and go, so this is definitely something new for a change, and I am curious to see how this dries. So I'm gonna try to air dry as much as I possibly can, because I feel like that's what's gonna do this wash and go justice, is if I air dry mostly. And just so that you guys can like get some insight, this is how much product I've used. So I haven't even used a lot of product for this one wash and go. I'm still at the tippity top of the jar. So I feel like this could last you a while. You do get 8 ounces, but it's like 8 ounces of product that you really don't need a lot of. That's what I really like about this so far. And also, even the foam, you don't need a lot. Like, I feel like I could have used even less than what I used, but right now it's like right down to here. So if you just do one pump on each section, you'll probably get a lot of wash and goes out of this foam, and you'll definitely get a lot of wash and goes out of the curl jam, or whatever style you like to do, twist out, braid out, whatever. I feel like these products will have a little bit of longevity on your shelf because you really don't need a lot. Okay guys, so I am back. Yesterday, what did I do yesterday? Yesterday I let my hair completely air dry. I did not use anything on my hair. I let it completely air dry throughout the whole day, and when it dried, honestly, I was just thinking like, oh yeah, this could be cute, you know, let's see what it does after I stretch my hair out. My mom, I do remember my mom specifically telling me like, I like your hair, like it looks nice. Like she could tell like I did something to it, you know, I did a little something new to it. And I typically don't even like, when my hair is first day hair, I don't even really think about it. I'm just like, yeah, like cause I know it's not exactly how I would want it. But anyway, this is the second day, and all I did last night was put my hair in 2 pineapples. I had one on the top of my head and then one at the back of my head. So yeah, this is it after I've stretched it overnight. And today I decided to go ahead and take a blow dryer at my roots and just fluff it out even more so that it could get bigger. And that's just a trick that you guys can do if you're ever looking for more volume after you've already tried to stretch your hair and it's just not working. For a little extra oomph, I just take blow dryer and just blast my hair and like make it bigger. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like. And I also, of course, I laid my edges back and, you know, did all of that. But this is what I'm working with. My hair feels very soft, moisturized, and very light. Like it feels very lightweight, and it has so much movement and body. I think the fact that I let it air dry, I was able to like maximize the amount of definition that I got, because the hold on this is not a very strong hold, but I definitely think I could get like one more day out of this. Honestly, I like this combo. I loved how it smelled. I love how it applied in my hair. That's it. I don't have anything negative to say about Eden BodyWorks products at all. I have nothing negative to say about this. There are other products in this line, however, I was only doing these 2. Let me know if you guys have been thinking about trying this line. I feel like if you try anything from this line, just go ahead and try the styling products and do a wash and go, a twist out, a braid out, something with this product combination, because I feel like this would work really well if you're doing a twist out or a braid out, just because of how defined it will make your hair and really smooth it down. I think it will do really well. As long as it dries completely, it should come out nice. But yes, definitely recommend this. Let me know in the comments if you guys are going to try this and what you think of this wash and go. Also, subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I have some fun content coming up, a lot of hair content. You guys are going to be like, Okay, all right. Like, some new stuff is coming, so please stay tuned. Put the notification bell on so that you will not miss an upload from me. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. And yes, that's it. That's all I have. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.